Hey everyone, welcome to Soap Trend. We hope that everybody is doing well. We have some interesting news to share with you all in today's video. And it's about one of our favorite TV series, Yellowstone. There's news that season 4 of Yellowstone is going to be totally different from show's other premieres. And the show's premiere will be giving us the double drama. So do watch this video till the end to know everything. The fans of much-loved show Yellowstone got a bit of good news when Paramount Network released a long-awaited teaser for the show's 4th season. The released video showed scenes from season 3, including the explosion at Beth Dutton's office and her brother Case getting shot, along with the ominous message, "Revenge will be worth the wait." But the fans will have to wait at least a few more months to find out the fate of Yellowstone's main characters. In just a couple of months, we will finally be getting answers to our questions about the Dutton family's fate. After following months of speculation and disappointment, Paramount Network has recently announced that Yellowstone Season 4 will finally make its return on Sunday, 7th of November, which is more than a year after the shocking Season 3 finale. That wasn't enough for all of us, and Paramount Network kept their promise that Season 4 is going to be worth the wait. And the new season will also be airing 2 back-to-back episodes on the premiere night. Yes, you heard it right. So buckle up because all of us will be kicking off the new season with 2 hours on the Dutton Ranch. But that's not the only difference we will be experiencing this time. Right after the second episode wraps, Yellowstone fans should keep watching to get an exclusive look at Mayor of Kingstown and 1883, which are 2 new Paramount Plus series from Yellowstone creator Taylor Sheridan. Mayor of Kingstown is the first of the 2 series to make its debut, premiering exclusively on Paramount Plus on Sunday, November 14. The drama follows the Molesky family, who in many ways have a similar dynamic to the Duttons. Instead of ranching, Mike Molesky and his family are in the business of for-profit prisons, and it's just as messy as it sounds. In the same way, 1883 trails closely behind, which will be debuting on Paramount Plus on Sunday, December 19. Told through the eyes of James and Margaret Dutton, the grandparents of John Dutton, the Yellowstone prequel series gives a deeper insight into what exactly the Dutton family went through to secure their land way back when. The new series are said to be even bigger and bolder than Yellowstone. We bet you didn't think that was possible, did you? Since the new shows don't have a cable time slot, the reports say that they'll have less commercials and more drama, which is everything we could all ever ask for. So, is there gonna be any possible new format for Season 4? Yellowstone is reported to follow a new format in the coming season, in line with a new Paramount Network strategy which will focus its effort on made-for-TV movies featuring big-name stars and be rebranded as the Paramount Movie Network. The plan is to present the show as a cinematic experience, possibly programming 2 episodes into a single night with a limited commercial interruptions. Furthermore, Paramount Network expects to program a miniseries or scripted series on the scale Yellowstone, potentially spinning off characters from those projects into their own films or sequels. Good news for Cole Hauser. It will be interesting to see how this translates to Australia's streaming services. Now let's talk about how to watch Yellowstone Season 4 in the UK. Yellowstone Season 1 is available to watch on Paramount Network UK and My5. However, the viewing schedule for Yellowstone is further behind in the UK than it's across the pond, so we could be waiting a while for Season 4. We will keep you updated as soon as we have some more news. Last but not the least, will there be a Yellowstone Season 5? Taylor Sheridan revealed that he had a clear ending inside that it could easily fill another 2 seasons, although he wasn't clear on whether that will include season 4. In an interview back in 2018, location manager Mark Jarrett confirmed that the use of Chief Dutton Ranch had been locked in for 5 seasons, which indicates we're highly likely to see a Yellowstone season 5. Since then, a prequel series entitled 1883 has also been announced. So this much for today's video. We hope you liked it. We will deliver more news of Yellowstone as it comes in. We will have all the burning Yellowstone spoilers, updates and news you are looking for. So visit us regularly. Thank you for checking this video out. We will see each other very soon with another video. If you like this video, give us a like and do subscribe to our channel for new videos every day. If you have anything to say, do let us know in the comment section below. We'll make sure to reply to your comments.